Chris.
Hey, you me come pick up. Over there. Big up yourself here to the world. Yeah, the world know about me. Everybody.
Them been seeing you, know them hear you.
They don't know enough. Original enough. Yeah. And them time they, to them time
yeah.
Real man, love you.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. Akeynote, can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them not like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me feel. Then me want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Well. Blessed love. Guys, as I can see, we getting some rain. Some rain. So today, you know, I'm literally heading to the airport, you know, to go and pick up my sister, you know, but it's a lot of rain today, so it's a rainy pickup day today, you know. Rainy. It's been raining from last night as well too, you know, going into today, you know, getting a lot of rain, so can't complain because everybody been complaining, so all the place was hot, you know, with the sun was kicking like differently, you know, and this rain come cool long back because it's needed, you know, definitely did need it, so not complain at all. Me keep my mouth zoop, you know, because when it is hot, body has to the place hot. Now it a rain. Now me hear who go complain. You know, me for sure not complain. Definitely for sure. Me not complain, you know. Yeah, man, go and hold it out. Because trust me, the way it hot. First them talking about is El Nino heat wave that's coming on, you know. Bro, listen. I rather the rain right now more than El Nino. El Nino you can't stay. You stick to the rain. You go and work with the water. Trust me. I will literally work with the water. I'm thankful for the water. Thank you. Keep raining. Because the heat there was something else. I'm telling you, boy. Because if it hot so, I don't want to experience the summer like that. And the summer will, well, it's definitely going to be hotter than that. So alright guys, so the back to school treat is definitely August. You know, the date that we have for the back to school is the 16th of August. You know, that's the date that we got settled down for the back to school, you know. So it's just for me, you know, to get the permit. You know, I already spoke to the police and them say it's way too early now, you know, for try to get the permit. Usually it's like 10 days before, so at least I make them aware. So at least I made them aware from early, so coming down when it's closer it won't be any more problem. So we have that already set and ready. Alright, it's a lot of rain, but I love the rain. I love the rain. So let me go. So guys, so yes, I'm gonna head to pick her up. But I know the thing goes, I'm hungry. You know, it's past 10 times there. But you know, I'm gonna quickly run to my usual spot. And you know already before I even say that, Ivo Spice. You know, that's the way I'm headed. So blessed love guys, I'm gonna take you on that journey. It's rainy, but I love it. El Nino, you can stay where you are. You go and work with the rain, yeah? You know, trust me. So blessed love guys, so peace.
So you know
One tea. You still up on the phone? One small tea then. Yeah. Yeah. Well, now guys, it's been raining, but I love the rain, so I'm just reaching at Ibo Spice, gonna get myself tea, you know, that chocolate and busy tea, eat a quick food, and then I'm gonna head to the airport. Who that? That's a dub plate master.
Yeah man, I don't play master serious man.
I'm loving the dub plates.
Yeah man, people don't love it and like it, you know. You know, like serious man. Big up yourself, you know. To the world. The whole world know about me now. Everybody. Man,
Them been seeing you, know them hear you.
Them see me and them hear me and them see the work so we can do. And also we're versatile.
Oh.
All type of style.
All type.
Cooking, spicing,
Oh.
coffee,
Spoon making,
spoon making,
burger creating.
food sharing, chocolate and busy.
Aye, that is it. Easy. Make a piece of that napkin there, please. Well,
One place named Library.
tell them
You know about to go over there, sir. I name it, you know. And you tell me some words on the phone.
yeah. So you don't appreciate, you appreciate love. You don't be less, you be more.
I know, enjoy.
You full joy.
Nice, sir. You don't go to the library.
Yeah.
Go to a
Chewberry. Yeah.
And we don't go to Propius.
Yeah. Correction.
Look it up, warrior. Because I got the people that now look. People that now look. It's a product.
Yeah.
But fire and a product.
Wake up and look. Because when you wake up, you have to be looking. Don't wake up and
you're
still.
making a you will talk about that.
Yeah.
My decision going to do. Right.
Can't be wake up and still sleeping.
The whole works there, you see this a scratchy patchy on everybody.
Oh.
Yeah, remember a scratchy patchy?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, man, there come to God bless him.
That's for the eyes.
You wash out the eye.
Call them with the dung tip.
You ever use them, man?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, guys. So the plane, she landed. So I guess she's at immigration. So she just texted me, so she's at immigration. But the rain kept falling. You know, I'm not complaining. But yeah, the rain is still here. So I'm just waiting for her to come out, and then we can head back home. You know, so apparently Mike was going to Trenchtown, but it's raining now, so we're just gonna go straight home because it's just pure rain. You know, I love the rain. So when rain like this, I have to be at home and relax. You know, I'm gonna edit this video. Chris, hey, are you gonna pick up? Imagine.
Home sweet home.
Imagine
Home
that.
sweet home.
Look who we just ran into. Christopher.
Strangest thing happening there just now.
What happened?
Strangest thing. Cousin IT.
Yeah.
Come out the bathroom and he's doing this. And you see me?
Yeah, brother.
I'm saying.
Yeah.
Oh, I put a passport in there.
Yeah.
With your name on it.
Your name?
Brother, I use the bathroom just now. There's my passport in there.
Yeah.
Passport, isn't it? And I come out and my cousin who's flying on a different flight, I didn't know he's flying, him find the passport in the bathroom just now.
Right.
I see it, I said, wait.
Yeah.
The man see it, I said, wait, I'm cousin this. And he come out and look for me. I see my car on me.
Yeah.
Who's that calling me? Look. I said, oh, I can't see who you are.
Yeah.
I said, me, cousin, IT. I said, yo, we passport there. I said, no. I'm gonna take it to my pocket and say,
I'm sure it's
that's
crazy, brother. And imagine that. Imagine it at your family.
Family found that's
weird.
Different flight. Hear this though. So my mom, I owe her an apology.
Yeah.
Today when I was leaving the house, it was like this. She said, "You're gonna lose your passport tonight." I said, "Mom, I'm gonna lose it, Mom, man. I'm not gonna lose it. Why you being like?"
Yeah.
So she's watching this. I'm sorry.
Yeah. So I said, Mom, you did lose it. Yeah, guys, you're gonna be watching it. I mean, I wouldn't talk, boy. I think it's a couple of days ago, you know.
Is it?
Yeah. Somebody I say, yo, what going Chris? I mean, I say, yeah, you know something for call him.
You know. I've been up and down and Miami and
Yeah.
shows abroad and
yeah, cause I was watching the music video that you dropped with you and Jesse.
Oh yeah, Jesse, yeah.
Yeah, I mean like
tune's cute, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's a cute song, man.
I mean like, bro, I need to link you.
Yeah, the tune's out now. It's called This Love. Christopher Ellis and Jesse Ryan.
Yeah,
sweet.
Go check it out.
Watch on
Go
YouTube.
check it out. Cause my sister is coming in.
Oh, she's coming in from where? America?
No, man.
England?
Yeah.
All the same flight as me?
Yeah. See, she's there. Okay. So George, I realize that you and my sister come on the same flight.
I was Georgia last night as well.
Yeah.
The show last night.
Where?
Georgia was there.
Okay.
He was in
London?
Yeah.
And then one with
It was in Shoreditch.
Shoreditch. Yeah. Another one with Tyros.
No, that's August.
Oh, August that one.
2nd.
I see you on that one as well too.
Yeah, it's a big show. August 2nd in Brixton.
Yeah, bro. Glad to see you, bro, man.
I'm gonna link you though, man.
Yeah.
Wait, I ain't gonna win now.
From last night I go on. From last night, you have someone coming for you?
Yeah.
From last night, the weather going like this, bro. Is someone else coming out?
You know what? I'm getting there.
Oh. Hello.
Hello, I want to be on camera. I saw you in your charity, Joy from Crystal Palace.
Joy from Crystal Palace.
So I'm a gift to Ali and his mom.
Oh,
his mom
okay.
died.
Yeah.
Yeah, you see?
Okay. Blessed love,
So in
man.
your charity.
Yeah, man.
I'm gonna stop.
Come over because around here.
Come.
Yo, I'm gonna shout you though.
Alright, cool,
Yeah?
bro.
I'm gonna link up, yeah, bro?
Yeah, man. Cool, bro. Yeah, man.
Come. No, I'm gonna check.
But you get the time to pass by, but you never know about pass by.
You never know.
Yes.
You never know. Yeah, man. Every time. Well, guys, imagine that is Christopher. Well, Christopher Ellis just touched down as well too. You know, look at that. Imagine that as I walked up, and that's Christopher coming around the corner, just like that. You know, so my sister was on the same flight, so waiting for her to come out now and head out. But Today is the England weather. So everyone is flowing out now. Look at that. I take.
Yo. How would you talk about you now?
Yeah.
I'm so for them, you know.
Me and Christopher just talked about it a while ago with the passport.
With passport, yeah, man. Just
hello, wifey, right?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. It's been a while.
It's been a while, man. For real, man.
Come on, the passport.
It's been a while, man.
Wow, out here, wicked. Come out here.
Sophia.
Sophia.
I know you had to talk about the program. Because it was a king of going to put it. Yeah. Yeah, the camp. They were on the shed.
Look at the next part.
To be continued, yeah?
Same number here, right?
Same number, yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Therefore, give me a shout for coming from the CV, man. Man.
Yeah, sure, man.
Go to an interview, man.
Sure, man.
See the program, pick up yourself, see me.
Overdue. Yeah, man, you don't know, you know. Original, you know.
Yeah.
And them time there. To them time, you know.
Yeah.
Real, man. Love
You. All right, my brother, yeah? All right, cool. Guys, remember that face, that's IT without the fancy cat. You know? That is IT without the fancy cat, you know? Imagine that. Himself just the other day, him a talk about me, and then look, just like that. Himself speak of someone, that's how the universe works. You know? Just like that. Christopher just come out as well too. Which next to family. That's how the universe works, you know what I mean? Still waiting for my sister to come out. Here rain. Look guys, here rain same here. Not gonna complain. This is it. Welcome to England weather. Imagine it's the England flight bring this weather come here, you know, but we don't mind it. Yeah. We don't mind it at all. I just see Cairo. Spell it. Run out the rain, run out the rain, run out the rain, run out the rain, run out the rain.
Hey, Uncle Pino!
Run out the rain. Over the car park. Up here rain. I want to be good. I want to put up rain. Could I bring over the car park? No. That's the jump pack up. We'll go all the way down at the end. At the end? All the way down to there. Cairo spot me.
He spot you out.
They hear him say, "Hi, Uncle Kina." And that him say a while ago. Yeah.
Mine though. Like I'm very easy. Pay attention.
Cairo, what's up?
You know.
Please, you never go over the car.
Come as well?
Yeah, some so come.
You're right, sir. Okay. Yeah, man.
Go
Come
for the
on.
car.
Yeah.
Cairo.
You want to take something? You want to
Eh?
take? Want to do something there?
No, when I make the sense, I go outside in the rain. Let's go and come back. Cairo see me and say, hey, Uncle Kina. Welcome back to Jamaica.
What are you going to say?
Hmm?
I'm back.
You're back.
Go back. I'm at Jamaica.
He's back. This is a period.
Yeah.
Probably gonna take me a while to come out. Cause I look like say.
Cairo, take that.
You can go and fling after me come. Alright guys, so it's dinner there. So I just came out, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna literally go get the car. There's a bit of traffic to come back now.
I'll just tell my pre-ready.
Yeah, to sleep.
Mama. Mama.
Hey,
Mama.
it doesn't say, don't call me.
Mom. I'm here at far. What they are? Yeah, what they Mama!
No, you know, but don't say, man come to me.
Yeah.
Ask me say,
If the girl come.
if the girl that come to that, say to me to call me for morning.
Mommy for call you and tell you say, the girl left on her way.
No wicked war.
Why, Mama?
Shut up, the heart attack down.
Mama, from April, for coming now. Ticket book from April. So all the time we are talk,
Nothing big. No.
all the time we are talk, Mama, we are say, oh, they are watching and Hush, Mama, hush. Alright. The car say want come to Jamaica. Yes, them tell you, you know. Eh? Suitcase pack already.
Where him gone?
Are you that as man?
Me never know, I think you know. And since a while ago, she tell me say, you don't know.
Yeah.
I think you don't know. So I say, oh, my figure, I say, Mama probably don't know. Because I know say if you know, you have prepare certain things already.
That's what I think he does. That's it, me tell man say.
I say, Mama don't know, man.
You don't know nothing. Yes, it met tell man while I go to they said call me.
No, God, you can call Mommy now. Hi, guys.
Oh my God.
Hi, Mama. Now bring in the suitcase then.
Right.
Oi.
Oh wow. Oh look at this. Look at this guy. Literally. Wow.
comment. Guys, this is some heavy rain. Yeah. We're definitely getting some heavy rain. Yeah. Now, today was the day we're meant to go pick up the bed. You know, but we've been getting one whole heap of rain from literally from day before yesterday, and it continued into today. Like a lot of rain, guys. So this is looking, and be raining like this from morning, and I literally come out the house, say I'm gonna try and chance it, you know, but I noticed that the chance is worsening, you know, it's really worsening like this, to be honest. Really got worse. Causing a bit of traffic as well too. Police on my left, trying to find their way through. Yeah. And there's an accident over here with a truck, with a trailer, as you can see. I don't know how come it reach over there. You know? Let's look at that. I don't know how the hell it reach over there. I don't know how. I don't know how the hell. Wow. I don't know how that trailer literally reach over there, but in some way or some form it did reach over there. Literally into the ditch. You know? Into the ditch. So it's really bad, you know. I'm saying I'm happy for getting some rain because we did need some rain, you know, but we get it a lot of rain. This is not some rain, this is a lot. So I'm not gonna be complaining, you know, so yeah, how this day gonna pan out, guys, I have to go head back home because the road is not looking good, and I just can't imagine up by Mama Riverside what the weather is going to be like as well too, you know, and the river, hopefully the river will come down. So look at this. This is going into downtown to where to get the bed, and it's been falling like this from morning, you know, but it did kind of ease up. So at this side I'm gonna come out and try to see if I could go get the job done, but as I stepped out 5 minutes after, I could feel the rain coming back down. So yes, the rain ain't playing today at all. The rain ain't playing today at all. Too bad. But I'm still confused how the hell did that trailer reach over there, you know, because he's on the straight road. I don't know how comes he reach over there. He literally off the road onto the sidewalk, dug into the ditch right at the traffic light. So not the more he was driving a bit too hard in the rain, because I know these truck guys, they like to drive so hard because they feel like they bully, they run the road, you know, because they're a big unit, they think they can just overthrow anybody and just bully them off the road. So I guess he bullied himself off the road, you know, just hopefully no one got hurt. But the truck drivers then here, they drive like a bully, real bully on the road, you know. But this is a lot of water, you know. Yeah, this is a lot of water. Look at that. The puddle. See them say Jamaica big mountains. Dropping on big pothole just now, you know. Nah. I'm driving a pool of water right now that's settling down in the road. You know? One pool of water. Them say Jamaica can't take water, you know, and more people prove it over and over that we really cannot take much water. Even though we love to get the rain because the sun has been boiling, but soon as the rain starts to fall too much, you start to see this start to happen. And then now this brings a lot of traffic also with it as well too. You know, a lot of traffic. A lot. So we're down here, this Tivoli garden over there. You know, so we're literally downtown. There's Tivoli garden there. Rain, rain, rain. Why weather like this? This is shower. This is not real. This is shower. We getting a lot of shower. A lot of shower, guys. I love it, you know, but not too much of it because we know what I can do. That can stop movements of me to be working and all of that, you know. Too much, when there's so much like this, it slow up the process of putting in the work, you know. A little bit here and there is alright, but this is a, you know, overdo it. Overdo it today. It's overdo it. So just drive with me, guys. Drive with me. So you are my witness. You are my witness. Look at the water. No. Look at this pool right here. Oh my days. So we have to be driving with the hazard on, like most of the cars have been doing the same because the rain is so heavy, you know, it's not visually cleared in front of you. So for the drivers, them that not too aware of these type of roads, they have to do this. So times like these, I like when a driver is in front of me, so I drive the way he drive. So if it's dropping a pothole, I know that okay, that's not the direction to drive. You know, take a right turn. You know, that's how you have to drive in Jamaica. You know, no, you don't try to lead. You know, you just follow someone else when they're driving, not too close. So when I'm dropping a pothole, you have that time to get out of it. You know, yeah, man. So you see, right now. Them car that gone and me a lead right now, cars behind me. So they don't follow me now for the drop in a no pothole if they cannot see the road. Because there's so much water. Slow down. Oops. Alright, you know what? You know what, guys, you know what, I'm gonna head back home because I'm reached this far and everything still remains the same. So I guess I have to turn back. Alright guys, so this is downtown that we at, and as you can see down here is a mess. The rain ain't easing up. This is a whole day rain. Like yesterday was whole day, day before was a whole day. But today is more heavy than other days. today is a more every day, man. Come on, car. So I see the world, so. Yes, sir. Oh, the water there. Whoops. Big one. Big fat one. Yeah, I go out the car for a minute and look, I soak. As soon as I step out the car, I'm soak. Raw. Can I pull this? Look at this car now, sir. Jamaica need proper drainage system. We got no proper drainage system. No proper drainage system at all. None whatsoever. So just imagine up Miami River stay right now. And the river they come right over. Right over. No, I can't see Mr. River not come over. I just missed that one there. Alright, it's right here. Look where you see the Jeep is going. Look at this pool of water. Look. He have to slow down. I never realized it was that so much water. Cause you see the way he was driving fast. And when he hit the water, he have to slow down. Look again. Yeah. Then don't realize right here the water is really heavy. So when him get close, he have to slow down. You see? Because there's a pool of water right there. Yeah. The pool. So everyone that entered, because them driving fast, you know. But once they enter the water, they have to slow down. Because they think it's a joke thing. You know. And you know what this gonna cause? One huge traffic, trust me. One huge traffic. Traffic water. Chew me, baby. It's raining easy now. So guys, I literally turned back round, you know, heading back home. And as you can see, continuously, the rain is still falling more and more. I know this is going to build up a huge traffic. Is bullying the small car in front of him to drive up. Poor small cars. Look at this big unit. Here, listen. Look at that. Oh my days. That was close. That was close. And the thing is, yeah, these drivers sometimes, especially the bigger, them see that someone is pulling out in front of them, and they would try to ease back down and make them go. Them still want to force themselves past them, even though the driver is pulling out in front of them. You're still deep in driving. I see someone's pulling out in front of me. I'm literally shadowing my brakes and ease back, make him pull out. I'm not gonna try to drive past him and then gonna leak me. But them driver, yeah, that bully them. Bullies him, man. So, giving me back the journey back home.
Well, sorry guys, today is a weather content, you know, it's literally a weather content. Yeah, it's pure rain, so there's nothing much I can do, you know, water, when it rains, we the YouTuber, the vloggers, the content creator, whoever use a camera or whatsoever, this is one of our worst, this is our kryptonite when it rains. Water is our kryptonite for the camera. You know, it's a kryptonite. I think for the camera, but for yourself, go up and down in the rain as well. So, you know, it's like a kryptonite. Water thing.
Water. Look over there, he's driving a big puddle of water. Oh my days, he's in the pool over here. He have a life jacket on. So we are on Marcus Drive, as I can see. A Marcus Garvey Drive, I think of a lot of places where water settle as well too. And even this road that they build, this drive, they don't got no sewage system here. So when the rain literally fall a lot, even this Marcus Garvey Drive here got flooded. You know, a lot of patches of water. Like once you drive on this road, there's no drainage at all. You can build this road with not even one drainage, not one. I don't see any. I don't know where it is if they built, but guys, if you know, let me know. But I don't see any. I don't see none. Look, it's pure second water. So once you're driving, if you don't mind sharp, you know, if you're driving too hard and you go into that ditches of water, trust me, you lose control. It's a whole different ball game, a whole different story. So as you can see, raining go, raining come back. It's raining fast, it ain't raining slow. You know, it ain't raining slow. So guys, as we was talking about the bed, you know, I see in the comment section where most of you guys, I know, and the team members them chosen the board bed, you know. And the fact with the board bed, you know, look, remember after we checked that store, we literally did walk around some more, but the board bed is only difference, like the bottom part is just a bit low, them cannot be sitting up. So I guess it's only like when they want to go lie down or something, they can go at the bottom, you know. It's not that bad, it's not claustrophobic, it's not that bad, but it can work. So at least now, that's the only board bed so far, you know, and everyone said the metal one after a while can rust and it got weak and quick, you know, which is the board bed is more lasting, you know. And the dad now, I know the dad can actually, oh my days, look at this here. Up on the pool of water here, right underneath the bridge. I'm driving in there right now. Yeah, so as what I was saying, with the board bed now, with the bunk, you know, you can adjust it, you know. The dad can also adjust it, which is like you can add board on it to make it a bit higher. That's the best thing about it, because she's board, you know, because you see where the board fit right in. You can literally got two holes, you can bore back holes, but you can fit board to get a little bit of height, which is something that can be adjusted, you know. And the board bed kind of makes sense, you know. And it's also a single bed, and it's the younger ones then that's going to be on the bed, that the bunk bed as well too, because you know Cranberry, she's growing, so I don't think a bunk bed will suit Cranberry because she's the oldest and she's growing in height as well too, you know. So you know she's going to need something for her legs to be stretched out, you know. So I think that is the way, you know. And you guys chosen board, so you work with a board, you know. So I don't see much board bed that's the bottom part is a bit higher, because it's like they use the foot, you know. So the only way is for, I've seen, I remember when I was going to Red Hills to see the mother with the girl that could have sing, and the one that with the bone that easy to break. I forgot the name of that. They did a bunk bed as well, and it was board. So what they did, they used other piece of board, you know, to raise the bed so it have a bit more height as well, so you can sit below as well, which is that can also arrange as well, you know. So when we get the bed and everything, you know, then we're gonna make a ambaja, see what you can do. Alright, look guys, so you see right now right here, the gully is coming over, you know. Sea view is known for that. Just literally pull up here, so a good thing I reach back in time before the gully fully come over, you know. As you can see, the gully literally start to come over, and you see the water running over already. So Because all of this water is coming from uptown, you know, up off the hills coming down here. Oops, oh my days, I feel that. You know, drop in a pothole, you feel it, you know, you're like, when you drop in a pothole, it hurts so much, you feel it for the car, like, oh my days, you're like, parts. Start think about parts. What kind of parts you're gonna need after you drop in them pothole there. Big old pothole. Yes guys, so as I said, the bed can be adjusted, you know, we have to just be creative and just adjust it for the best ability. Right? But everyone voted against the metal. So there's nothing much I can do. There's nothing much. Let this jelly man here. I need some jelly. Ricky! Ricky! Water is coming in. I'm trying to call the jelly man. I'm trying not to get out of this car. You know, until I reach outside my yard. Ricky! Here's the truck right here. We got jelly on it. You know, so what him do, him bottle them out. You know. Ricky! Ricky! I get it. Ricky! I guess it no one come out neither. Because I'm not hearing no sound of him. I guess me have to come out. Me have to go come out. Me no want come out either. Ricky! Ricky! Sana! Ricky! I guess nobody not there. Ricky! Bola man! What's not there? Start! Good! Good! What's not there? Give one. No, coconut. Yeah, coconut. Oh, it's a pipe water. No, alright, no have none. No, good. Alright, cool. Yeah. So, reach back home and the rain still are going. Pool of water. Left out, rain was falling, back, rain still falling. So. Here rain in Georgia. Hey. Here yeah. Let me reach home. The rain still falling. No, sir. Hey. Darian. Felicia, you still out on the road? Huh? Darian. Cairo. What's up?
Yeah, what's up? You still is. It's a.
Appearing. Appearing, man. Alright, guys, you know where your thing go. Carrie, going on the road? Yeah?
On the car?
You what?
On the car.
What car? You gonna drive?
I'm getting in the car.
You get in the car?
Yeah.
Not my car. Reach downtown and rain worse downtown.
Oh.
Really the worst downtown.
Yeah.
Rain worse, man.
Well, that not stop me. I'm going to support more.
He's out of my bag.
Hello, YouTube. Carol, did you say?
Hello.
Wait, what's the name of your channel?
You got channel?
Come, say it for the extended family. What's the name of your channel?
Carol's Cars.
I can
See,
like and subscribe.
like and subscribe.
Kairos Cars, guys, like and
Cairo's
subscribe.
cars. We're showing pure cars, Cairo.
Yeah, cars, buses, trams,
Oh.
And how about
airplane.
trains?
I know he's watching. See, Minecraft.
Minecraft.
Yeah.
But I'm not like the rain bad out there, but water every on the road, a pure traffic like a cars.
Why traffic there?
All boats.
What was the side?
Did not build up there yet. But I will build up. Soon and very soon. You know what, guys? You know think of blessed love. I'm home safe. You know.
Hey, bye.
So you should go up on the road. She got poor.
That not stop me. Rain not stop me. When rain fall in England, I go do it same way. Not stop me. I'm outside.
Well, it's different with England, you know. It's different.
That's true.
The exception we go by Mom Riverside where we whatever come
Yeah,
from
that come down.
and furniture things. So
So we can't get to swim also next 2 days. I will not be able to come down.
no, it always run off after a while.
Okay.
It will run off.
So
So
where you cook? Where you cook?
when
So you won't go up there.
cook the special dumpling. You never try
Pumpkin
dumpling on me. Yeah. Pumpkin and sweet potato dumpling.
Oh.
It's the pumpkin and sweet
Yeah.
potato. You know?
What kind of meat?
Nah, I don't know yet. Figure that out.
Fish and curry chicken. Yeah, curry chicken back and curry chicken.
The coconut curry chicken.
Yeah. The GSA. I never eat that before. Coconut chicken, nice guys. I cook pumpkin dumpling and cook it I use wheat flour, chapati flour, yeah. A bit chapati flour I eat, I like the plain flour.
Okay.
I'm gonna eat it this time. Hi guys, like and subscribe to Akeynote's channel. I wanna watch, I wanna like. He's going on the phone, I wanna like. Yeah, Akeynote reached 75,000 subscribers. On the road to 100K. Yeah, God is good. Alright.
All the time. So you know what thing goes, guys. Blessed love. You know what thing goes. And to the next journey. Give my key.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.